Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both devices and then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, choose receive on Sony and send on an Android smartphone. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and click on send next to selected. This way you can choose all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. For example that one, choose send and tap on got it. Over here on Sony, just no thanks and close this window. After that we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive button. But we can also scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Sony smartphone. In this pop-up, choose while using the app or only this time and then point your camera at the code. Now wait a bit and as you can see after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!